Hi everybody, especially to all my fellow Trumpsters, truthers, freedom fighters, God's soldiers, God's warriors. Look at, I bought this shirt. So I'm recording this video because I'm happy. I'm back in YouTube channel. In my nabalik na ulit yung YouTube channel ko for after 3 years. Imagine that, after 3 years. Okay, what happened? Let's recap what happened. So, 3 years ago, isa ako sa mga pinakaunang nagsalita about and stand up against the turok. I don't want to speak in English because kapag baka ma-delete na naman yung channel ko. Na-restore ko siya. I was able to recover. Na-recover ko yung YouTube channel ko. Kasi I was thinking because, nanalo si Trump as President of USA here. So, I tried to submit an appeal sa YouTube nung isang araw and I wrote a sentence, one simple sentence that it's in the Constitution and it's my right, my basic human right to have freedom of speech. So, ayun, miraculously, kahapon when I opened my Gmail, ayun the YouTube, nag-send ng YouTube sa akin na binalik nila yung YouTube account ko. That was 3 years ago, ha. Dinilit nila kasi because I spoke about the danger of the turok. That, that time, we were attending freedom rallies. So, we know about the turok that it's deadly. So, I recommended and advised the people na don't take it because it's a lot of poison effects ng turok. Based on my experience and based on attending freedom rallies in the capital dito sa state namin sa Minnesota, so we did our own research and based on our experience. So let's recap. That's why against ako sa turok because me and my husband were married for 8 years na and I have infertility problem and we found out that it caused through the turok, the vaccines. And when I came here sa USA nung way back 2016 in October, and binigyan nila ako ng shots, 3 shots. So, that time, I did my own research. Hindi ko pa alam. Well, I didn't have knowledge pa about sa mga poison effects or side effects ng turok. So, then during the scamdemic, nung pumutok yung, so-called COVID ko, which is that time, we did our own research way back 2020 and we bought a lot of documentary DVDs. We listened to freedom fighter doctors, mga health workers. So, ayun. So, we advise the people not to take the turok. So, yeah. They deleted my post and they removed my account sa YouTube channel when I started talking about it. And they also deleted my Facebook account Kasi sinasensor nila yung mga like us na we speak about it. So they censored us and they delete our post and remove our accounts. So I'm happy that I'm back. I'm back now, back in my YouTube channel. So of course, I will not stop speaking about it. And I'm always in the side of truth. I'm always in the side of God. And I always trust God, and God is our salvation. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm back. Still, nobody can stop me from speaking up and standing up. So here, my shirt says, right? It says it. Obviously. Alright, I think I'm just gonna do the 6 minutes video, and God bless everybody, and don't forget to pray and stand in the side of truth, and always remember that Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. And God bless everybody, and don't forget, fear not, trust God always. Buy this shirt. Walk around with this shirt. The shirt says it all. Alright, everybody, bye. God bless. Peace to all of us.